Kay mo talagang sila. Mo to sungaha mo te. Wala po momentum fehoy. Wala daw lang po momentum fehoy. Kung dre sila si pa. Ay, sa motos. Here.
No. When did he have a mask?
Tuntas ra. Tunta kami nga misa.
Bringing Bushby's actions on Kenner's family and the indigenous community in Thunder Bay. Bushby is now being brought to Thunder Bay District Jail before eventually being transferred to a federal penitentiary. Logan Turner